Okay, everyone, now I'm going to show you our forging workshop to you. So let's go, guys, follow me. Okay, guys, now we are showing the automatic forging machine for isolation valve. And you can see that it will forge automatically and then flow directly to the plate. Okay, now I'm showing you our automatic machine for normal valve. For example, for ball valve, you can see from here, it will feed automatically and grab the brass bar here and will forge directly. So let's go closer and see how it works. Now you can see the brass bar will heat directly, and see from here, it's the temperature control. Now I'm showing you how it grabs the brush bar and forge directly. And you can see there's a terminal here. I will show you how it works. You see here, there's a number showing on the screen. It's the temperature. If the temperature is high enough, we'll forge directly. And if it's under the temperature, under the cylinder, it will flow out from the tunnel and that's the center valve. Now I'm showing you all our normal forging machine. From here, we have one worker forge the product, and it will feed automatically. Okay, now we are showing you an automatic cutting machine. You know, when after forging, we have to cut the pieces on the brass bar to make it can be machined in the next steps. Okay, let's take a conclusion. As you can see from our forging workshop, we have 3 sets of automatic forging machine for isolating valve and nuts. The day capacity is 56,000 pieces one day, and we have 19 normal sets of forging machine. The total capacity of one day is 125,000. And we also have 10 sets of automatic forging machine for normal valves like ball valves. The day capacity is 60,000 pieces. Okay, thank you.